Are you finding it difficult to set up your HBagency correctly for your website and for it to display and start generating income for you? Well, if you're among those people who need such kind of help, this video is actually meant for you. As you know, my name is Timothy Sunday. You are welcome to Blogging Issue. Writing on Blogging Issue where people on how to generate traffic, especially from social media, Facebook to be precise, and then you'll be able to earn income using any of your preferred ad network. But if you have been following through this channel for a while, I've been covering ads that are related to HBagency, Astera, MJID, and MoneyTag. So you can scroll through the previous videos and find any of them that is very helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe if this video make a little sense or add up to your knowledge you already gained. So the discussion we are making out for today is HBagency. If you look right here on the screen, this is HBagency, their own page. Let's assume you just got an approval from HBagency for you to display ads on your site or your blog, and you have been looking for ways on how to set it up correctly, but you're not getting it right. Well, I'm going to give you the real guide on what you need to do from beginning to the end so as to get your ads displaying on your website or your blog. So let's get to it. So the first thing you need to do is for you to sign up, because for you to actually get approval, that means that you've created an account already with HBagency, and all you got to do now is for you to log in. When you log into your dashboard, you'll be able to see some of the steps you need to follow. So though I've already gotten approval some months back rather, or over a year ago, so I've gotten approval. So, and already my ads are displaying already. They're showing very, very well. So let's assume you are a new member that just got approved. Your dashboard won't be showing metrics such as this. It won't be showing any earnings at all. So once you get to this page, the first thing you need to do is for you to set up three major things. You need to set up three major things. Once you get an approved HBagency site, you need to get and set up three major things. The first one, you come to this website section under your inventory. Once you go there, you'll see two things for you to fill in this aspect on your website. The first one is your ad.text. The other one is your header code that is going to be given to you. Once you click on it, this is the header code that will be given to you for your website. So this is how it is being displayed, and this aspect is to be placed on your header as it is being described here. That take this code and place it on the header tag once for each of your page, but sometimes you don't need to place it on all of the pages on your website. There are some, if you are using a WordPress site or a blogger platform for your blog or website, you don't need all of that. There are easy ways for you to do this, but we'll be covering for this aspect just WordPress website or blog. The most important thing you need to do is for you to have a plugin. There's a plugin that can help you to achieve this, and the name of that plugin is Ad Inserter, which is this particular plugin you are seeing right now. So the moment you've gotten HBagency approved for your website, or even before you even get an approval, you'll be asked to place a particular code, which is this particular code, on your header of your website. So once you install this plugin, you come under setting. Once you come under setting, to show you what you need to do. This is how the Ad Inserter plugin looks like once you've installed it and activated it on your blog or your website. Once you come to the setting, this is where it will land you on. So what you got to do is for you to click on the setting. You can look at this section, click on it, settings, and you head down to this section here called header. So this is the code. You can see mine is already displaying this particular code that you see here. This is the exact code that is there, and then you activate it. This section is for you to enable it so that it can appear on your site. If you do not enable it, for this section to be, this place to be green, it means that you've not actually enabled it for it to be live on your website. So that is what you need to always remember this. After placing the code, the add code, that the one that is for the header, is for you to activate this, and then you click on save settings. Look at it, save settings. You do this, place the code, activate this, and then you save. So that is the first part you will do. The second one is for you to your ad inserter, you download it for you to update mine, because I have already placed the ad text before, so I'm being asked to update it currently because it has been outdated. Because every 2 to 3, 4, 5 days they normally update the text files, so you need to be checking this every once in a while. Every 2 to 3, 4, 5 days, at least in a week, they must update it. So you need to be aware of this. So I'm going to click on it. I will download it. So it has been downloaded. I'm going to open it. Let me open it. It is going to open as a notepad. So I'm going to copy all of this. Ctrl A, Ctrl X. I have cut it. And now I'm going back to my site. Look at it or use that same ad inserter plugin. If you look at the top, you find it the add.text. You can see. So once you click on it, and it is showing that it has been clicked on, you can see green and blue is already showing. So you scroll down. This is the previous ad text file. You can see it. So I'm going to edit it. I will delete all of it. Ctrl A, that is to select all, and then you delete everything. And now you paste the new one you just copied. The new one that was copied here. So I have pasted it, and then I'm going to save it. So it has been updated, but it will take a while for it to display here. Don't forget to save any changes you are doing under this section. Always remember, don't forget, always save. So it will take a while for it to display here that it has been updated. Within an hour, it will appear that I have updated my add.text file. So we've done actually 2 out of 3 things I say you are going to do for your ads to display well. The first one is for you to place your header script code correctly, and the other is for you to place your add.text file on your website. The add.text file is very, very important, because that is where publishers or not publishers actually, that is where advertisers are able to see your website. Because if you look at the file, that is there under your add.text section, you see that it is majorly websites that they are partnering with, website that the HB ad company are partnering with. So you can see so many companies there. So if you do not activate this, if there are new advertisers that have joined the partnership, they will not be able to display ads on your site. So that is why you need to always check it, and that is why you need to place it on your site. If not, advertisers' ads will not display that is coming from HBagency. That is the major reason. So all of these things is for them to be able to track your website, place the needed ads on your website when you do the necessary things. So if you do not do the necessary things, they will not be able to share ads to you. And once they are not able to share ads to you, you will not be able to earn any income whatsoever. So you need to be very, very aware of the 3 important things. We've done the first one as a reminder. We've done the first one, which is to place the website script code on your header section of your website. And we'll make use of the ad inserter plugin. So once it is there, you place it under your header section. You come to your setting, place it under your header section. then you update your ad or text, or you insert it on the website. So you've done 2 out of 3. The last one is for you to place your code, your ad code. So under this inventory, you come through your placements. This placement gives you different kind of ad placement for you to put on your site. So you can see different types. But majorly, there are 4 important ad placements I always recommend. And those ones are the high CPM ad placements, like you can see here. This one is the in footer 300 by 250 high CPM placements. That is one of the ones I place on my site. And this other one, high CPM, that is for sticky in footer, right banner, and there's also the one of left banner. They are all high CPM. These ones are the ones that come with pretty much the highest CPM. To look at it in a way, yeah, it comes with the highest page in a way. Though in some cases, some people prefer other ad placement, but I do recommend sticking mostly first with the high CPM ad placement. So you get the code, you can see here. Once you get the code, always remember to tick this. Always remember to tick this to be on, not like this. Sometimes you can find it like this, so you tick it on. So once you click on placement code, you see the code. So it is this code you are going to copy, and then you go back to your website and then you place it. You can see there are ad inserter sections for you. Once you click on it, there are 1 to 16. So you can post as many of them. You can see I have codes in many of them, so that is what you need to always remember. So place those codes the way you want it to be, and once you are done, you'll be able to start earning from your website. Because once this is placed, once you do this, don't forget, always save your settings. Any changes you make, always save it. So these are the 3 steps you need to take once you've been approved on HBagency. This is the right way to set up your ads, and sometimes it takes up to 12 to 24 hours. In some cases, I've gotten an instance that I've got 3 days for my ads to start displaying. The moment your ad, all of these 3 setups have been made, you need to do one vital thing. That one vital thing is for you to start pushing traffic to the website. Because the more you push traffic, the more you'll be able to get conversions such as this that is being displayed on my own dashboard. You can see it. You can also get this. The moment you start pushing traffic, the metrics will be reading. It will be reading. And the more your traffic is coming, the more HB is going to be pushing more ads to your site, because they see that your site is very active, and the traffic also is very actively coming. So you need to be aware of all of these things. So I can still call it that there are majorly 4 steps to take. The first one is to place the code, the header code. The second one, your ad inserter code. The third one is the ad placement of your different kind of sizes of ad banners on your website. And then the fourth and the most important thing for you to start pushing traffic immediately you've done these 3 things. The last important thing is for you to start pushing traffic to your site. So these are what you need to do to set up your ads correctly. Because some people can set up their ads correctly, but there is no traffic to test if the ads are actually reading. Because these ads will not be displayed to you, the owner of the website. No, it is very wrong for you to be viewing your own ads. So it is when you push traffic, audience coming to your site, your traffic coming to your site are the one that are going to view these ads and then take action. And then you'll be able to earn income on your site using HBagency. So don't forget, these are the 3 major ways you need to follow for us to set up your HB ads correctly on your website. So don't forget, like this video and share this video. Also, subscribe if you've learned 1 or 2 things from this channel. So thank you very much for watching.